Maytag Neptune washers are prone to drainage issues due to their front-loading design. This section covers emergency draining, filter cleanout, and clog fixes. These steps are crucial for maintaining your Neptune and preventing problems like mold buildup or pump failure. We'll focus on practical solutions to keep your washer running. Emergency draining is essential during power failures or severe clogs to prevent water overflow. Access the drain pump by tilting the washer and removing the access panel. Disconnect the hose and drain water into a bucket for safety. Filter cleanouts should be done every 3 to 6 months. Remove the filter cap, clean debris with a brush, and inspect for damage. This prevents mold and maintains drainage efficiency. For clog fixes, replace damaged pumps or hoses if corrosion is found. Use high-efficiency detergents and avoid overloading to minimize future issues. Access the filter behind the front panel, near the drain pump. Remove the filter cap and clean out any debris like lint, hair, or soap scum. Use a brush or running water for a thorough clean. Inspect the filter for damage and replace if needed. Regular cleanouts every 3 to 6 months prevent mold growth and keep your washer smelling fresh. Clogs often occur in the drain pump or hoses, causing drainage failures in Maytag Neptune washers. After cleaning the filter, check the hoses for blockages by inspecting for buildup or restrictions. You might need pliers to disconnect the hoses for inspection or replacement. If the pump is clogged or damaged, consider replacing it to restore proper drainage. Replacement pumps typically cost between $100 and $300, depending on the model and retailer. Look for signs of corrosion or damage on pump components like the motor and connections. Prevention is key. Use high-efficiency detergents, avoid overloading the washer, and run hot water cycles monthly to minimize clogs. Pay attention to error codes on your Neptune's control panel. The F09 code typically indicates a drainage problem that needs immediate attention. Watch for these symptoms: standing water remaining in the drum after a cycle, unusual grinding or gurgling noises during the drain phase, and signs of mold buildup or water leaks around the machine. Always start by consulting your user manual for specific guidance. Then use online appliance repair forums or AI-assisted diagnostic apps to help identify and resolve issues. Simple fixes like filter cleanouts and hose unblocking are typically DIY-friendly. However, complex issues like pump replacement or internal clogs might require professional assistance. Consider the cost of labor, which has risen recently. If you're uncomfortable with appliance repair, hiring a qualified technician is the safest option. To extend your Neptune washer's lifespan, run hot water cycles monthly. This helps prevent mold growth and buildup in the damp interior spaces. Avoid using excessive detergent, which can create soap scum that leads to clogs. Stick to high-efficiency detergents and follow the recommended amounts for your load size. Regularly inspect and clean your hoses and filters every 3 to 6 months. This prevents debris buildup and catches potential issues early. Consider using mesh laundry bags for items that shed lint, like towels or blankets. This traps lint before it enters your Neptune's drainage system. Following these preventative measures can significantly reduce the frequency of drainage issues and help your Neptune washer last longer. As Neptune washers age, replacement parts become increasingly difficult to find due to supply chain shifts toward newer models. However, remanufacturing initiatives like Whirlpool's Legacy Appliance Sustainability Program can extend their lifespan by rebuilding components rather than scrapping units. Consider joining online communities such as Reddit's r/appliances or YouTube repair channels to share parts and repair tips with fellow Neptune owners. AI-assisted diagnostic apps can also guide you through troubleshooting common issues like drainage failures. If your Neptune washer is beyond repair, explore local recycling programs that handle e-waste. These programs follow processes like collection, sorting, dismantling, and mechanical separation to recover materials responsibly. As older Neptune washers reach their end of life, proper disposal through recycling programs contributes to e-waste reduction and environmental sustainability by preventing hazardous materials from entering landfills.